Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
She's 10-12.
Sheriff Mike Chitwood here. I want to highlight the great work that's being done by our Child Exploitation Unit. Since April, they have focused on numerous operations. One we just completed was where they are monitoring the internet for these creeps that are out there trying to solicit sex from minors. Others, we made our probation and parole checks on them, and they were found in violation of their probation and parole.
Well, the computer would only memorize stuff that you're saving and stuff that you're looking at. So are you looking at stuff like this?
No.
So is there going to be stuff like this on your computer?
I doubt it.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Thomas.
Yes.
Come here, man.
You have a warrant for your arrest.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get dressed?
Put your hands behind your back.
Well, get yourself together. He's going to do what he says.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stab folks?
No, I don't have anything. I have no clothes.
So is there a reason why I'm getting arrested?
Yes, I'll tell you everything here in a minute.
I hope it's legit.
All right, Mr. Eckerbecker, I'm Detective Goggin. I work for the Sheriff's Office. I'm not associated with probation and parole. You are in handcuffs. I'm going to read you something, okay?
No. I want to know why I'm being arrested. She just went through my phone and didn't find nothing. So I would like to know why I got cuffs on. That's what I'd like to know.
Okay,
And
I'll
I
tell
hope
you.
it's a good reason.
I'll tell you.
Before you even read that. Because I don't want to hear that. I want to know why I'm in cuffs when my probation officer just went through my phone and said, you're right. There's nothing in your phone.
Yep, you're being arrested for failure to properly register.
On what?
Social media accounts and email address.
What social media accounts?
Well, I'll talk to you about that.
She
in a
just
minute.
didn't find any.
Okay, well, if they're not on your phone right now, that's fine.
So why am I in cuffs? If they're not on my phone, why am I in cuffs?
Do you want to do this or not?
No.
Okay, we're done.
We're done.
Sounds good.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
On your knees. Get on your knees. I didn't do anything.
Is everything okay?
Nope.
What's wrong? Hey. What's wrong, guys?
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now. Don't move. Don't move. Get out of the car. Unbuckle your seatbelt. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Turn the face around. Don't move yet. Hey, weapons on you?
No.
Anything sharp that's gonna poke me, stick me, or prime me? Hop on in.
No, I didn't know it was coming. My lawyer was supposed to call. Hold on, what? Got a warrant for arrest.
There's no holding on here.
Is
Can you give me a shirt?
I thought his lawyer was supposed to.
Huh?
His lawyer was supposed to reach out to him.
Yep, shirt for him.
Thank you. Take a ride. Will do, appreciate it.
When your bike up here, he's about to fingerprint you because your name's not coming back to anything.
What's
Have you
up,
ever had a
man?
license or ID card in the state of Florida? Thanks, man. Yes.
Where do I know you from? Huh?
No, I'm sure, honestly.
You're not sure? Where do you stay at?
Off Glenwood.
Yeah, this is the guy with the
Yes.
Signal 600, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're playing the name game instead.
Oh, we're playing the name game. Yeah. Hold on, I know his info. I'll pull it up real
I
quick.
actually have it up to make it. If you'd
You
like to look at it and just make sure.
You still want a rapid ID? It's like Jacob or something. What's your name? Huh?
You don't even know your name?
You don't know your first name?
I already told him whatever it was.
What's your first name again?
How do you not know your first name?
Because he's going to Yale.
Some had child pornography on their electronic tablet or on their cell phone. We had some who filmed themselves having sex and then sent it to their daughter. And we've had some who were arrested for molesting a 16-year-old. So what we termed it was Operation Creep Sweep. And these men and women of our child exploitation unit are out there, they're online, they're doing follow-ups with registered sex offenders and sexual predators to try to keep our community safe. So hats off to you men and women for doing such a great job.